Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we will discuss about how to install a package in Salesforce org. I'll show you the step-by-step process on how we can install the specific package in the Salesforce depending upon our needs. Let's talk about a use case scenario first. You are a Salesforce admin at a company that needs better visibility into sales performance metrics. The management team wants detailed, visually appealing dashboards that display conversion rate and team performance. Then you decided to install this dashboard app, configure it for your organization, and share it with the stakeholders. Sometimes what happens, stakeholders will come to us in real time and they will ask us to show us this data, that data. So basically, creating a dashboard from scratch takes a lot of time because first you need to create a report, then after you need to create a dashboard, and then you need to add all the report components to the specific dashboard, and then you need to deliver it. So to avoid that, right, you need to directly install a package that has some pre-built dashboards. So that may be useful for the stakeholders to visualize the data. So let's jump into it and let's see how we can install it. So as usual, first go to Salesforce org, click on here, hands on org. So I'm going to install this package in the developer edition. So come here and then click on here. Wait a second. I'm going to record this. I'm going to document this as well. Okay. Okay. Now let's click on here. Once we log into org, just go to install packages. Okay. And then click on this one. You see this one, visit AppExchange. So AppExchange is a place where you have lot of apps related to Salesforce. From there on, you can install it. Salesforce will verify those apps before we before those are listed here. And also you can also create some apps and you can also put it. It's similarly like an Google Play Store for Android mobiles and App Store for iOS or Apple devices. So just I'm going to select free. There would be a lot of paid tools as well. And let's see, Salesforce adoption dashboard. Okay, Salesforce CRM dashboards. It has some data related to reps, sales, support, and more. You need to verify which apps are helpful for you. Like, first thing we want to know more about sales, right? So basically what we can do here is I'm going to install this one. Okay, or maybe let's try to understand what kind of dashboards we have here. So this is relevant user login history trending, critical sales and marketing productivity. So we are looking more into this one, sales and marketing. And okay, reviews. So this is how you need to analyze a package. What are the reviews, how it is, and how you can install it, and if this is suitable for you or not, and what is the latest release. So the reason why I'm checking the latest release is because some apps would be created once and it won't have any updates. So it is better if you check this, then it would be helpful. So it is installable in all these editions. Okay, I think this is good now. Let's click on get it now. Okay, start free trial. It is asking us to create again even though we have created. Let's do one thing. um, we need to click on here. I have connected my account already. Okay, it makes no sense. Again, I'm gonna click on it here. Get it now. Um, Start free trial. We already have one, and I'm going to click on this one and this. Okay, now I need to enter the custom domain. So my custom domain is um till here, till here. Okay, and let me install it here. Continue. No, we already have one. Why it is not letting us to do? Somehow I installed it. It is letting us here, but we are unable to install. I'm not sure what is the problem, but let's try again and again. Okay. Try it for free. Okay. So keep in mind, guys, we need not to deploy these apps directly in the production. We need to install it in the sandbox first, and then only we need to go there. So this is the website of the apps. Login and install. Now we have the package link as well. We can do one thing. Copy this. Even I'm just trying. I don't know if this works or not. Let's see. Okay, this URL worked. So there are three things here. Either we can install the package for admins for all users or for specific profiles. So let's say if you want this to be installed for all users, you can select this. And if you want this to be installed for specific profiles like sales or marketing, you need to select here. Like you see, you can select here. So this is how you can do it. And also one more thing, it will also ask what if existing components conflicts with one of these packages. What you can do is you can select do and no do not install is the appropriate option. Just select this, and here the main picture comes into the point. So here if you see this right, let's say this view component, this plays a crucial role because it shows you what kind of permission sets, what kind of fields it is going to create, custom fields, what kind of reports it is going to create, what kind of dashboards it is going to create. It will show us. So basically it gives us ample amount of data, I would say. And then yeah, um, since we are good with the components, now click on install. So this is how you can install the package, and it will take some time, and luckily we have installed it to all the users, so we need not to assign any permission sets to the users if they want to see these dashboards. So it is installing. It may take some time, I would say. Okay, looks like installation is done. Now where are this? Sometimes it will itself create some what we say app dashboards. So it did not created an app, so I'm going to dashboards, and I'm just going to click on all dashboards. So if you see the folder, it has created itself, and these are all the dashboards. So for now, I'm going to open sales and marketing adoption. If you see, we have some dashboards here. Okay, so this is how you can, how many leads I've created, how many opportunities I've created, what are those opportunities, the trend, and whatnot. Everything you can see here. And let's try to see the other one as well, user adoption as well, key feature adoption as well. Sales and marketing is done. And if you see, you can see for active Salesforce user in our org, and list logins, logins by region, logins by department, logins by role. If we have enough data, we can use it. If we do not have enough data, it won't show much details. You see, new accounts created, new contacts, new activities. And I think you can also edit them. This is managed package data, but still I think we have an option to edit, like filter it based upon some date or last modified, last run. You can add it as per your uh, your interest or your requirement. And yeah, so the basic advantage with this is you need not to invest a lot of time in creating things from scratch. Instead of that, you can directly use the pre-existing or ready-made packages or ready-made data for this. And yeah, that's it for this video, friends. And I'm also going to add a blog link to the description as well. In case you want to read the post, you can also have a look. And thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.